Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new just stopping in, my name is Shannon, and I'm glad you're here, and I hope you decide to stick around and hang out with us. Well, we're going to start this off by, this tree was dead on one side, so it had to come down, and not a moment too soon, because after we got this tree cut down, the Hurricane Debbie come in on the East Coast, and we had so much rain. So I'm very glad that my husband got together some of his awesome fellas he works with, and they got this done. And all I can say is this is a brave man here. But my husband took video, and unfortunately I could not upload it. So I have inserted some screenshots, and so while they're doing this, I'm going to try to clean up the living room a little bit, and then we're going to make us a trip to Hobby Lobby and do a tiny bit of shopping. But I will be back during the video.
Said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to hold. All those little moments, goodbyes you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments.
So I wanted to come on here and apologize for the light and it being so dark in here. We didn't have an overhead light. Our light in the ceiling fan was broken by the switch, but it's all replaced, and hopefully the next video in the living room of dusting and decorating will be much better.
And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know that now, no it's no more, no. I got so high on a low, that's when I loved you the most. No, I thought I should let you know that now, no it's no more, we don't know. No it's no more, we don't know. No it's no more, we don't know. No it's no more, no, no. We don't know, no it's no more. It's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. It's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. This brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Be with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. brakes and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out the wild. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. 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 Isn't this a good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Keep playing my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaching sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Isn't it a meat crime?
Okay, so we are at Hobby Lobby now. And we are going to do a little bit of fall shopping. I really wished I would have got some of those pumpkins. I really like those velvet ones. Those are nice. So we're just checking out all the little pumpkins right here. There were so many pumpkins around every corner. And even some Christmas stuff already out. Nice try, Hobby Lobby. Nice try. It just so happened when we went, they had all of their wall art and wall like pictures and stuff 50% off. I had to check out some of the kitchen items. I didn't get near what I wanted to get. And there's more pumpkins, 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 pumpkins. Their prices has really went up. I mean, it is crazy for a hollow plastic pumpkin. 20, 30, 40, and 50, $60. I mean, my goodness. That is crazy. I like those little fall wooden signs. And the glass pumpkins, they're a lot higher here, even with the 40% off, than they are at home. But they had some really pretty pumpkins, and I probably will go back and get some, one or two, maybe three. Because once the living room's done, I'm going to want to make it all nice and pretty. But one good thing where the Hobby Lobby is, where we live, the at-home store is like right directly around the corner. And a lot of times, even with Hobby Lobby's discount, you can go to At Home and get some really nice garland and stuff like that. Cheaper than what you can at Hobby Lobby with their discount when their sale is running. But there's some pretty pumpkins. I really like them little maple trees, I guess you could say they are. And of course, we're at the coffee cups because I had to get me a cup, or as my husband says, a bowl of coffee. Those are some pretty pumpkins. Those were wooden pumpkins. And I really like these pumpkins out of the jute twine. And these look really realistic also. Really nice. I want to get some stacked pumpkins. When we do our fireplace, I would like to have like a stacked pumpkin on each side. And goodness grief, I seen the um, gingerbread stuff, and I started a gingerbread theme in my kitchen last year. Oh, those gingerbread picks. I want to do a gingerbread, like a pencil tree in my kitchen this year with the gingerbread people or gingerbread men, gingerbread women. Oh, I love Christmas. So I like to do a gingerbread in the kitchen, then like a candy cane theme in the bedroom is how I had it last year, and then traditional in the living room. But anyway, Hobby Lobby got me off track, so we've got to get back on track here. We're here for fall stuff, and that is what we're going to do. Okay, we got to stop at these coffee cups and get Mike one of these peanuts because he had one years ago and I broke it. I dropped it in the sink and broke it into pieces. And now we're going to make our way over here to more wall art. I like those 3 pumpkins. That's cute. They had some really nice signs. I really think I would like to get a couple of those actually, now that I'm really looking at them. I was looking for a specific sign, but I haven't seen it this year. I was going to get it last year and I thought, no, I'll just wait. And usually it always happens. You just wait and then the next go round you can't find it. I like these too for in the front yard or in the yard. And so this is like kitchen items. Those are some cute little espresso cups. Little pinch pots and plates and chargers and mats. Little risers, little muffin stands. And here's some scarecrows. Those are really cute, the ones on the bottom. It was just so much to see. It was a lot. And so we're going to make our way over here to some more kitchen decor and tabletop decor. So I'm curious, what are y'all, do y'all do like traditional fall colors? Do y'all go all out and decorate? Or do you just chill and during the holidays and not decorate? I love fall. Fall is my favorite time. I told Mike earlier I wished we just only had spring and fall. So all these cute little mushrooms and light up pumpkins, and I'm seeing stuff now that I didn't even see when I was there. And so we're going to make our way down here, another thing of pumpkins and some window stickers, garland, crafting stuff. And here's all the little bowl filler, the pumpkins and the berries, and then I guess that's acorns. And then more pumpkins and hay. And that little turkey is cool, isn't it? I mean, that is just one cool little dude sitting there. Decorative boxes. I was really wanting to get a throw, but none of those really match my aesthetic that I'm going for. And then there's doormats, and I guess the pumpkins one would be a rug, and then pillows. So now we're making our way to the shelf sitters. Mike wanted to show me these shelf sitters. And I have some similar. I had made some little candy jars one year. And dish towels. And these are some ginormous pumpkins here. And like little porch decor. And those, I would like to have one of those maple trees. They have a really nice one on Amazon, or from the photo on Amazon. It looks nice, and it's pre-lit. And here we were looking at more pumpkins. Kind of circling back where we started. That's usually how I do. I walk around the store, and then I walk around the store again, and then a couple more times, and because I really like these. And then little scarecrows, shelf sitters. But yes, I think that I will, now that I'm sitting here looking at these pumpkins, have to, once our living room is completed, get back out there and get a couple. And these are some cute little trees that are on the stands. And more pumpkins. These were like a velvet texture to them. Alright, we've made it home, and I got me a bowl for my coffee, as my husband would say, and him a peanuts coffee cup, and these cute little things, the blessed and thankful tabletop decor, and I had to snag that. And we picked up a picture for when our living room is completed. And we got us a light up pumpkin. Something for the coffee bar. And a kitchen sign. And a pantry sign. And a coffee bar sign. And then this cute little scarecrow. Okay, here's my order from Hobby Lobby online. I picked up 2 of these spice cider candles. The white pumpkin dish towel set, the fall paw prints drying mat, bucket. Now, of course, everything is 40% off the original price. This Farm Fresh Autumn Harvest sign, a sink stopper with a pumpkin, a little small light up house. There's also a larger one too, but I figure I can use them at Christmas also. Two fall mini wreaths. I really like the color of these. And of course the famous Stay Cozy pillow. And that'll do it. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and if you did, give us a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing if you like this sort of content. And as always, stay blessed. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.